Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. And also, welcome to the big reveal of What's in the Box version 4. So at the time I'm recording this video, I do not know who's won What's in the Box yet, but I can tell you whoever has won it has won some pretty cool stuff. And as you know, I did a bonus bullion win, and whoever won got a 1907 and a 1908 Barber Quarter. So this is pretty cool. This is some old-time U.S. constitutional silver. Really cool stuff. And I think it's a great prize, I might say so myself. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so here we go. Let's get this thing open. Let's see what's in here. This one was probably a little bit challenging for you guys because it's a little bit different. But still, I want to make it a little bit challenging. I'm giving away some nice silver, quantity-wise and price-wise. So let me go ahead. Feels like there's an invoice right here. There was. I got that out of there. So let's see what we have. Ooh, very nice. Open this thing up and take a look. I like these little plastic bags they send these things in. Just got to figure out how to open them. Alright, so let's start with the big guys first. On this side, looks like it's the big guys. So what do we have here? We have a silver Krugerrand. See if I can turn down my white balance over there. We go. That looks a little bit better. Very nice, man. The thing looks like it's in great shape. 2019. Look at that, folks. That is just a beautiful, beautiful piece of silver. Love that thing. Wow. Fine silver. And what we have here is we have 5 of them. There's number 2. There's number 3. There's number 4. And here is number 5. And these all look like they're in great shape. I mean, they should be, but yeah. Oh, that's right. To get the free shipping, I got 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's a 6th one as well. It's been a while since I ordered them, so when you write a check, it takes a while to get this stuff in. So let's go ahead and spread these out a little bit. So 6 Krugerrands. Get this off the screen. Boy, I didn't lay those out very well, did I? Let's get these up, looking pretty. And then, my camera must be crooked. Let me adjust that a little bit. Here we go. And I also got, what else did I get? Oh, I got 3 10th ounce Libertad. Yeah, these are awesome too, huh? I think we're going to have to put these under a coin cam. Let's take a look at these guys. I'm sorry, these ladies. There's definitely a lady on the front of these things. So let me throw this under the coin cam. Let's take a look. Oh man, these things are awesome. Let me get it set up here in the right spot. Hit the filter button and let's take a look. Oh yeah, need to do some focus here. Oh, look at that. 2019. 1/10 of an ounce. 1/10 unza. You see it over there on the left-hand side. But look at that, huh? What a beauty that is. As you know, I paid a premium for these things, but these things are really cool. I love Libertads. I'm trying to collect every year, one from every year. Not all the proofs and 2 ounces and 5 ounces. I'd be happy to get a 1 ounce of every year. And as you know, in the mid-90s, they can get pretty pricey. So I'm just going to continue to work on them as we go along. But look at that, huh? That is really cool. Slip it back to the pretty lady on the front and say, wow, that is really cool. So I got 3 of them. So I got this one plus these other 2 in the flips. So what was in the box, you ask? It was 6 Krugerrands, 1 ounces, and 3 1/10 ounce Libertads. And like I said, I don't know who won yet, but I can imagine it was a little tough to guess. And I'm sure I threw some clues out there because I usually don't let it go for more than 2 or 3 days. But this was definitely a unique one for me. Both government issued, but also not my normal cup of tea. So these are really cool. So congratulations to the winner. I appreciate you guys playing along. I always have a lot of fun, and I know you guys do too. And right after I get done recording this video, I'm going to record What's in the Box version number 5. So get ready for another one. Thank you again, and always remember, let's keep talking bullion.